invite on stage this brilliant filmmaker जिन्होंने जब जब फिल्म बनाई है हम सब ने उसको फील किया है हमारे दिलो दिमाग पे छा गई है प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर शुजीत सरकार ladies and gentlemen जोरदार तालियां हो जाए welcome sir welcome thank you so much for being here thank you so much for this and every single time we see something from you on the big screen जब जब आपने कुछ बनाया है वो बहुत हटके होता है because these days what happens is we say slow mo action मारम पीट mass ये वो but ऐसे में sir what inspires you to do this sir
Um, uh, Hello, check. I don't know what inspires. I think it's just everyday life that I see, and most of my films are like a documentation of a real situation. So this is also one of my friend's story. अभिषेक कुछ बोल रहा है पीछे से. This is one of my friend's story, and again, this is a very slice of life situation where uh, where relationships matters. जहाँ पे sometimes we regret that we didn't communicate. Sometimes we regret that we didn't talk our heart out. So this film speaks about all those moments and a journey
right
of these characters, what you see. So it's all moments stitched together
right
of your entire life and documented in I Want to Talk.
right
So it's
right
like that.
absolutely it's life जो कि यहाँ इस बड़े पर्दे पे देखने को मिल रहा है so I'm saying बड़ा पर्दा again and again because April of 2018 after that now October के बाद अब बड़े पर्दे पे वापसी हो रही how does that make you feel like of course digital domain पे OTT space पे हमने देखे आपके masterpieces but what do you have to say today
Well, I also wanted to release Gulabo Sitabo and Sardar Udham on big screen, but it was an unfortunate situation there. But I'm quite excited. I'm excited because I could make this film the way I wanted,
right
and the way I visualized it or envisioned it. So, and coming to theater in today's time, in this big blockbuster time, I am not nervous at all.
I'm
Not
sure,
nervous
sir.
at all.
I'm sure. Talking about excitement, so we're really excited to see this gentleman who's one of our favorite actors. And Matlab, I think he's loved by one and everyone, like across the globe. We love him. Give it up for Abhishek Bachchan, ladies and gentlemen, in a never before seen avatar in this movie. I Want to Talk. Hi, sir. Welcome. Please, center stage लीजिए आप, please. Welcome. So good to see you.
Thank you.
And congratulations on this.
Oh, thank you.
First collaboration with this maverick director. Talk to us about it, first of all, sir.
Well, I think any actor who gets the opportunity. Sorry, first of all, good evening, everyone. Sorry for the delay. Hi. Any actor who gets the opportunity to collaborate with Shujit Da is very lucky, and I think there's always a huge beeline outside his office because um, the the experience of making a film with him is very transformative. Not just physically from what you see. I promise you, I'm not in this shape anymore. And that is me. That isn't any prosthetic. But it's been a learning experience. It's been life changing, and I hope that we've managed to make a bit of a difference to your 2-3 hours that you spend in the cinema hall watching the film. We've worked hard. It's a very sincere effort. What I liked about working with him is the kind of cinema he represents is so very different to what we generally make in the Hindi film industry. And I think that's a breath of fresh air. And it's nice once in a while in life to just pause, take a breath, and just, feel something instead of just being dictated to all the time. I think that's the kind of cinema Shujit Da represents, and I'm very proud that he chose me to do this. I hope I've done him and Arjun Da justice. As Shujit Da said, this is actually the story of a very dear friend of his, and somebody's already drinking, I can see. Nice. What are you making, man?
He's doing like that.
Oh, you stopped. All right. But yeah, it's been wonderful. But we're here for something else. We're very excited for Taba to come out in a bit, who's done wonderful. It's his first proper film industry, film. So we're excited for him. We're all big fans, and not only for him, but for Ahilya, who plays my daughter. It's her first film, so when she comes out, she's very shy. It's her first film. She's from Puducherry, so please, guys, show some support. And I can't say any more. I'd rather they watch the film. And
I'll be calling in the producers now, but before that, just one question, sir. We are talking about Teherao, Just kisi se bhi we've talked about this trailer. Once we were done watching the trailer, we were like, हाँ, कुछ सोचने पे मजबूर करती है. We could feel it. So emotionally, was it challenging for you?
Of course, but I think all movies should be, regardless of the subject matter. It should push you, it should challenge you, it should give you sleepless nights. I think as artists, you need to push your boundaries. You need to try something new that you haven't done before. So that's the endeavor. You try and do that with whatever work. But this has, yes, it's been a challenge, but it's been a challenge that I really enjoyed doing.
Any particular takeaway from this for Abhishek Bachchan, the actor?
Yeah, don't ever put on weight for a film again. Trust me, at my age, it gets very difficult to lose it after a while. But no, I think it reassures you as actors that there's a little bit of space for everybody out there. And what I'd like to thank Shujit Da for is, and I hope you all can find some sort of parallel in your own life. We're all stuck in the rut of life. We're doing what we're doing. We're enjoying it. Some of us have got a corporate job. Some of us are artists. Some of us do whatever we do. And life dictates to you what you should be doing and how you should be doing it. What's nice about working with Shujit Da and doing a film like this is once in a while you can just stop and say, hey, no, I can do something different and maybe I should try something different. And when that works out for you, there's nothing more rewarding. So I think the greatest takeaway is to have, as he says, to be fearless, to keep...
Fear-free.
Sorry, fear-free. Yeah, be free of fear and go out there, try something different. Yes, we're here. We want to do the song and dance routine. I love that. I've grown up watching that. I love Indian films. I love what we stand for. But once in a while, it's nice to take a slight detour, take the scenic route, and try something different.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much. Give it up for them, ladies and gentlemen. Ek baar zordar taaliyan for this Kamal ka duo here. And now I'd like to invite on stage the producers. So we'll start with Mr. Ronnie Lahiri, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for him. And of course, Mr. Sheel Kumar, both of them are here. And we were just talking about this brilliant, brilliant actor. Unki intelligence, unka wit is out of the world. Give it up for Ahilya Bamru, ladies and gentlemen. Zordar taaliyan, come on. I know we got to make some more noise for them, yeah. They've given us something amazing on this big screen. Ronnie, so I'll start with you. Talk to us about this trio here, especially when you guys sit down. What do you talk about before starting a movie? Because it has to be. People often say, they hammer the fact that it has to be hatke, it has to be hatke. You guys have never said it. It is always hatke. We go to the theaters and we see that, yes, this is really hatke. So what kind of conversations do you three have?
I think mostly the conversations we have is over jhalmudi and tea. And I think more conversations are about football, how Barcelona is playing or how my team
How
is.
badly Man United
How
is
bad
playing.
Man U is. And yeah, Chelsea is in the same boat.
No,
we are
we're higher than you in the table. It's
so
okay.
so filmmaking, we don't take it that seriously. For us, all the other things are there. And of course, as you said, a film has to touch. It doesn't have to be hatke or anything. It can be very regular, everyday thing, but it has to somewhere down the line touch you first.
Yes.
And then it'll connect to the audience. If it doesn't touch you personally, it doesn't touch anyone else. So that's our process, I guess.
Sheel sir, you'd like to add something to that?
Honestly, I make movies with Jhalmuri only with him, meet him, take care of all the other end, but it's Ronnie and Sujit
Right.
who are the people behind making it.
But this trio is always rocking, and thank you for all the blockbusters jo ki
Thank you,
dil pe
thank
feel
you,
karte
thank
hain,
you,
sir hum.
thank you,
Thank
thank
you so much for that, seriously. And now moving on to this Sitara here. Of course, Ahilya, give it up for her, ladies and gentlemen. She's this brilliant, brilliant creator. She's already ruling the digital domain. And how was it working with this team? You have to answer that question. But I know you're so good with accents. So we are in Sobo. If you would like to say something like a Soboite would say.
Don't make me do this.
No, please do it. Ahilya, we want you to do it.
Okay,
Yeah.
but I'm in Mumbai, so I feel like I'm gonna get judged for this. But I will be, no. So it's I'm walking on eggshells, but basically, yeah, I was like so tired, and Bhaiya was just like talking all over the place, and I was like, please shut up, just like stop it, and that's all I'm gonna do for tonight. Thank you.
But how was the experience, working with this amazing team, with this gentleman? He's just amazing, yeah.
I think I've just been blessed, first of all, for this to be my debut film, to be working with such wonderfully talented masters of their craft. Shujit Da and Abhishek Bachchan. I mean, it's a dream come true for anybody. So, but I think more than that, I think feeling the sense of family and a crew that was so kind and welcoming and supportive to somebody who's just never done it before. Just kudos to the team for that, and especially Abhishek Bachchan for making me feel so safe on set. And I'm super glad.
So we'll just go on, talking about this gentleman here and saying good things about him. What is that one thing that you should?
I can't think of anything. Think wisely. Yeah, this is a lot at stake. I can't.
Okay, his, the way he walks in, this, that. So if you were to, copy that, because I'm sure you must have gotten some.
The way I was in the film, I was rolling in, I wasn't walking in. Did you see how fat I was?
But still looking so amazing, yeah, here, right?
No, incredible also.
And that chemistry is too cool. Talk to us about that.
No, I think first of all, playing a daughter to someone who already has a daughter, that's like one thing. Right. So then I was like, wow, I really want to, I don't know, do this well. I want to play your daughter like well. Yeah. And then of course there was the whole thing of like, will it first of all work when I'm also nervous as hell, right, because it's my first film? Will I be able to have that familiarity with someone who's playing like my dad? But I think, as I was saying before, it was the like welcomingness and the kindness that made it super simple to play a daughter. Yeah, I know.
That's an art, और इसमें ये माहिर हैं कि सामने वाले को कैसे comfortable feel कराना है. इस team के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां, ladies and gentlemen. Ronnie sir, I know we have an announcement. Talk to us about the music of this film, because that's really special to all of you.
This film, I mean, when we were thinking about the script and all, that's when I discussed with Sujita. I mean, I had heard Taba Chake. I mean, he comes from my region. I'm from Northeast, and Taba is from Northeast. And I made him listen to some of his songs, and it needed that thera, that gentleness in the film, and that deep lyrics, because something which can connect with the film, and that was the emotional core of the film, had to be the music. And that's how we got Taba to come in. And I think the most wonderful part is he still doesn't know the whole script. He doesn't know anything. His brief was write 5 songs about life. And that's it. And he wrote, and when we had the songs, and if you connect the songs with the film, you'll feel that he had the whole script all his time while he was writing the lyrics. He has no idea. And he just wrote, and I remember Sujita said, ask him to just be in the nature in Arunachal and record it over there only, because we wanted that purity in the music, not overproduced, not, because every song doesn't need to be overproduced. It needed to have that rawness to it. And I think this album is really raw, and at some level, it'll connect with everyone in their day-to-day life.
Just quickly, we always complain, especially from the independent music scenario, that they don't get chance to play in Bollywood. Mostly we take established musicians. So I think, but Ronnie and me has always been there to give that opportunity also, and also collaborate with them. So here, Taba Chake, this is his first debut film, and he's an independent musician. So we are very proud, and now independent musicians should not complain at all.
I'm sure they won't.
Yeah. So let's look at the second song. The video is out. It's called Gum Ho Kahan. So can we just start?
Yes,
We'll
sir,
just step
please.
out.
All right, we've all heard and seen Dil Ghabraye. Now it's time for Gum Ho Kahan. Ladies and gentlemen, all eyes on the big screen. Gentlemen, it's your moment, my friend. Come. Give it up for him, please. Ek baar zordar taliyan. Congratulations and thank you so much for this. Along with him, I'd like to invite the entire team one more time. We'll start with Shujit Da. So please, aye. Abhishek sir, please. Ronnie sir, Shield sir, Ahilya, we want you back on this stage. Thank you. So I have a question for you, okay? Working with this entire team here, and as sir said, that they did not share the script with you. Usually the script is shared with the music producer, the music director, the singer. So how was it? How did it all become so soulful, yeah? And so in sync with this movie.
Um, um, Firstly, thank you for calling me here. Sir just briefed me about life, but in a very different way. So he gave some philosophical thoughts and something like that. So he didn't give me the entire script for sure, but he was like, Taba, you write about life and philosophy, so I think you can do this one. And I was like, sir, please give me some more, clarity that how then where the story will go or end. But he was like, no, I'm going to tell you something else, and that will help you translate the song, And I think, I don't know if I've done a good job or not. Uh, yeah, but yeah, it was that actually.
From indie music to Indian film music, that's like a big thing. The journey is pretty long. But how was it for you? Talk to us about that.
Um, I don't know. Standing here with all the seniors whom I look up to, of course. I'm a little nervous to stand here, but then, I don't know, man. I feel grateful, yeah. I have nothing to say on top of that, yeah.
Said a lot. You've said a lot here, and you've touched a lot of hearts here. So, ladies and gentlemen, ek baar zordar taliyan for this amazing singer-songwriter. Taba, I know we have this amazing performance of yours lined up, but before that, Shujit da, आपसे जानना चाहूँगा अभिषेक सर के बारे में एक चीज. Were there any special instructions given to this gentleman here कि अच्छा ये करना है आपको before you dive into this character of yours? कुछ बताया था specially?
I just told him to inhale and exhale. Yeah, I just told him.
It's true.
I
My
just-
first 2 weeks of prep, he made me do pranayam for two hours every day.
Yeah, my only instruction was inhale and exhale. That's it. And generally for the scenes, before coming to the set, we would discuss. I think there was not many preparations that we did, months and months. We just had lots of conversations. In this particular film, the preparation was not about doing workshop or script reading. He is very good with remembering lines and of entire script, which I didn't know, which Mr. Bachchan has. He was very good with lines. So, and he has the same talent of remembering every line. But basic preparation was just discussion and talking about the character and himself, where he is comfortable. And I have shot wherever he was comfortable. I shot that scene in that same zone.
Was there some
When I was writing the film with Ritesh Shah, the screenplay writer, he is not here. He's in Goa. But we constantly discussed about Abhishek. We were not sure, but in my mind, I was very sure it's going to be Abhishek possibly. But we didn't know that we're going to cast him. But Abhishek was very strongly when we were writing it. Since 2021, we started writing. Yeah, long back. Yeah.
Abhishek, sir, one last question to you, and then it's time for the Hasu performance.
And also one more thing. And Abhishek took me out for dinner.
That's the real reason.
He's Bengali. You know the way to his heart through his stomach.
In your filmography, where do you see this film? And for you, like, where will it always be? What will I Want to Talk always be for you?
I think whatever you do in life, it should be memorable. The success or failure of any endeavor in life, be it business, be it sports, be it films, the success or failure of that is not in your hands. What's in your hands is that the memory associated with making whatever you're doing is memorable. I always work on all my films with this mindset that this is going to be something that I'm going to look back on fondly and smile. So I smile a very wide smile when I think of the time making I Want to Talk. I hope the audience does as well after seeing it. But where does it fit in the firmament? It has to be all the way up there. If it's not going to be something that you're going to say is going to be the number one in your list, then why do you do it in the first place? So you should always approach your work accordingly, is what I believe.
This is his best. He's lying, absolutely lying. This is one of his best.
Sure, sir. With this team, it has to be everybody's best, and every single time you've hit it out of the park. एक बार जोरदार तालियां for this team, ladies and gentlemen. So this is what happens, like other events, we are like all, like, okay, sir, so you have to say this, you have to say, and here with you, it's always super calm, super chilled out.
No, I'll tell you what you need to say. Enough talking, we're here for music, right?
Absolutely, sir.
Yeah.
So we'll
Taba,
do that.
come on.
Taba, it's over to you. Bring the house down. That's what we can say.
And on stage we say break a leg. We never say good luck because that's bad luck. Break a leg. Just don't take it too seriously. There is taping over here, so don't walk off the stage like that. But we're looking forward to him, right? This is his night, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.
Thank
for
you
being
for
here.
coming, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nitin.
Thank you so much, Shujit, sir. Thank
you.
you so much, Ronnie, sir. Thank you, Taba. Thank you. Abhishek, sir, we'll have a quick photo op with the entire team.
Yeah.
We'll do that. Sheil, sir, please. Of course.